Hello guys, welcome back again to this channel. Today I will be showing you how to make this creamy smoothie with dates and tiger nut. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. As usual, I will leave the list of ingredients down below in the description box. Here I will be using the following ingredients: almonds, dates, tiger nut, dry ones, you can use the fresh one as well, one banana, and finally cocoa milk. You can use any milk of your choice. Here I went ahead to wash all the fruit. Mind you, please remove the seed from the dates before using it. At this point I will be blending all the fruit. First I will place the tiger nut into the blender, followed by dates, and then I'll be adding the almonds, I will add my banana as well, and thereafter I will add the cocoa milk, and then cover and give everything a good blend. I will go ahead to blend this up. Look at that guys, my smoothie is ready. I hope you'll give this a try. I will just go ahead now and pour some into the cup and drink right away. This is packed full of nutrients guys. Try this and then give me a thumbs up. Thank you.